Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna create generic form for product instances or individual items that we have in our storage house. Right, that being said, let's navigate to views.py and we're gonna do absolutely same stuff here. For class will be, I don't know, product instance, only one instance, not too many of them, just one instance. Product instance add view, and again generic dot create view, don't forget uppercase C here, and again we're gonna target specific model that we have in models.py, which will be product instances. That's our target. So let's copy paste it right here, and then fields, well, pretty much we're gonna grab them all. Okay, right here. This will get the job done. Right, what about URLs? Well, we're gonna add a new path here. So it will be product instance add. Product instance add. Okay, when you see this add thing, you know that we're talking about forms. And don't forget slash, as always, when you're working with routes. Views dot product instance add view dot as view. Pretty much generic stuff here. Name for template, alias will be well, let's not complicate it too much. It will be long, but it's self-explanatory, so you will not think twice when you return to this CMS after 6 months. Right, comma, a little bit of space for future paths, and then let's roll into product instance add path. Again, problem. So in a shop, as always, we're gonna create that thing, which is HTML file with dedicated generic name. So right here, shop, new file. Product instance is concatenated, guys. It is because in a, where is that thing? In a table, here you have also that concatenated. Okay, let's press enter. And we're gonna, let me see what I'm gonna copy paste. The last one was product form. And definitely I don't need to change anything here. So product instance form, copy paste, because we need a base template, block of code, block of content, same stuff, CSRF token for security, and we can generate our form as table. And actually we're gonna explain what's gonna happen when you generate it as paragraph and unordered list, just, you know, to see what's up. Anyway guys, refresh. There you go. And see this ID? It is from that model we have imported in models.py. This model, and here we are using it. Default is that thing. Okay. So we are overriding ID Django, default Django ID methodology here. So to solve the thing with get absolute URL, that problem we have, we're gonna just copy paste this and we will put it down there or somewhere else. Just make sure that it's inside product instances. We're gonna copy paste it, and after we are done with form, when we submit things, I wanna relocate somewhere. So let me see where I'm gonna relocate. URLs, product instances, right. So listing of all items we have for sale. So where I was here, and copy paste product instances, and that will work. Oh, that means that we need to refresh this thing, and there you go. So don't manually mess around with these random characters, just leave it alone. Instance title Ericsson 1018S number 2 from, I don't know, that year, who cares. A little bit of description, and instance type So here we are targeting subcategories. I'm gonna choose old Ericsson phones, of course, and we don't have buyer at the moment, so we're gonna leave this thing blank. And when I click on save, because that get absolute URL, I'm gonna be sent to product instances listing that we have already, hopefully. Right, there you go. So where is my last entry? Here. Okay, that's cool. Now, what else can we do here? Well, we can add thing in navigation bar, which is in base.html. We are going to copy this, put it down there, add product instance or add item. Who cares? Add product instance. What was the path? URLs product instance add. Oops, just a second. Where I was? In base template. Copy paste it right here, and now this thing will work. Nothing special here, guys, you know that up till now probably. Okay, refresh, and there you go, we have add product instance activated. So let me check all these things up till now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But you know, for some reason I like to make migrations. Probably nothing, but I just need to make sure. This is kind of obsessive for some reason. Migrate. Apply all migrations, that's it. Run server. Sometimes when you change models.py you need to do this, sometimes not. Okay, so what if you wanna see this as UL? Can you do that? Well, sure. In a product instance form, you can change this as UL. As UL and save. Please note that still we are in table. Refresh. There you go. So it's kind of ugly. It works, but it's ugly. So now let's remove table. We need, of course, form. So yeah. And now it will look a little bit better, but still it will be ugly. What is happening? Just a second. As UL. All right. So here, I think I need to have UL, and I need to close it down there. Probably something like that. Save. There you go. Still not good. Another option is to have it as paragraph. As paragraph. As P. And there you go. Really ugly stuff. Okay, so let's revert to normal operation to this form to be visible as table. Couple of levels back. And table, and I think that's pretty much it. Refresh. Oh, I see these things, these buttons. That is because I'm rendering it as UL and not as table. Just for practicing purposes, I'm gonna render it here as paragraph to see what's up. There you go. And please note that we are in table right now, and as UL. So yes, UL, but inside table. This will be ugly. Right, same stuff. Pretty much not usable. So when you're using this table outside, then just generate it as table and not as these other options. Right, table. Way too better. Okay, so let's add something. We said that we don't want to touch this, so instance title, blah blah blah, description, and old after Second War radios, and buyer is Samantha. Right, save. There you go. We are at listing. Exactly same stuff as this thing right here. So let's go back. I mean to Django administration, and what I was adding, like old yeah, product instances, sorry. So I'm gonna delete this thing because it's not usable. Yes, I'm sure I wanna delete that. What else I can do here? Well, not much, because these entries are correct, they're usable. Okay guys, so in the next tutorial we're gonna create forms for buyers, and you probably know how to do that up till now because it's kind of boring. So yeah, it will work anyway. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Thank you for watching as always, and see you next tutorial. Right? See you there.